With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question says that an ionic compound is made up of A and B only. Ions of A occupy all the corners and the alternate face centers, while that of B occupy body center and edge centers. If B contains -1 charge, then charge on atom A will be option 1 +1, option 2 +2, option 3 +3, and option 4 +4. Right, so in this question, it is given that in an ionic compound, there are two atoms A and B. Ions of A occupy the corners and the alternate face center, and B occupy the body center and edge center. And the charge on B is given -1, and we have to find the charge on atom A. It means B is anion, so A will be cation. So we have to find out the charge, right? So first of all, what we will do, we'll find the empirical formula of the compound, and for that we have to calculate the number of atoms of A and B per unit cell. So the number of atoms of A per unit cell will be equal to, now A occupy the corners, right? And we know that in a cubic unit cell there are 8 corners. Now whenever a particle is present at the corner, it is shared by 8 unit cells. So its contribution per unit cell is 1 by 8. So we have 8 corner into 1 by 8 plus A also occupy the alternate face centers. Now there are two alternate face centers in a cube, right? Let us see with the help of diagram. So as you can see, this is a cubic unit cell. Now there will be two alternate faces which will be opposite to each other, right? Like this. If this is the atom of A present at one face, then at the opposite face there will be another atom of A, right? So we have only two alternate faces, right? So 2 into, now a particle is present at face, it will be shared by 2 unit cells, so its contribution will be 1 by 2. So it will be equal to, here we cancel out, we get 1, and here when we cancel out, we get 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So there are 2 atoms of A per unit cell. Now we'll calculate B. Atoms of B per unit cell. Per unit cell. So B is present at the body center. Body center means at the center of the cubic unit cell. Right. So we have one center, and its contribution is also 1, because if a particle is present at the center of unit cell, it is shared by only that unit cell. So its contribution is 1. Plus edge centers. B is present at edge center. Now you can see in this cube we have total 12 edges. Right. We have total 12 edges. So 12 edges, and if a particle is present at the center of an edge, it will be shared by 4 unit cells, so its contribution will be 1 by 4. So from here we get 1 plus, when this cancelled out it becomes 3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, right? So there are 4 atoms of B per unit cell. So the ratio of A and B is equal to 2:4. So when we simplify, it will be 1:2. So the empirical formula, empirical formula of compound is AB2, AB2, right? So from this formula you can say that A is having +2 charge and B is having -1 charge, right? So A is having +2 charge. So the answer of the question will be option 2, +2. So this is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.